and welcome to another How to Draw video. Today we are drawing a cookie. Don't forget, if you need to fast forward at any point or rewind or pause, go ahead and do so. If not, follow along and we're gonna draw this little guy. Let's start with an oval shape around for the cookie. Half a circle right there, backwards C. I'm gonna go around to the other side over here, and then over here under the body. Then we're gonna do two ovals for the eyes. And then two ovals for the dots in the middle. And then some eyebrows. And then a big goofy grin. We're gonna do a little tick over here, another tick over here, and then a U shape down like that. And another U shape down this way. Except it's gonna be slightly curved to one side. And then two curved lines down for the tongue. And then I'll put a little tick here to suggest the chin. Now we will do the arms. Straight line going down like this. And bending up here. And then we'll do some little sausages for the fingers. 1, 2, 3, and a little thumb pointing up, sausage shape again. And then we'll do the other arm over here. It's gonna have a straight line there, straight over here, and we're gonna bend it down here, bend down here, and cut it off there. Now we're gonna do the hand. It's kind of tricky. It's gonna curve around like this. And then another curved line there, and a tiny one over here. And then I'll just finish off that oval there. Now, I'm gonna make this one of those layered cookies. So I'm gonna put a little thicker back oval line back there. And under here like this. And then I'm gonna do another curved line here for the inside, the filling, the cookie. Then we'll do the legs. Down this way, straight line over here. And then we'll do some shoes. And I was gonna do some classic curved little shoes, but I think I'm gonna angle it a little bit so it'll go straight and then down and then curve like so. And I'll do the same on this side. Straight line down for the leg, and that goes straight, a little bit of an angle, and then curved, like so. And I'll do the inside leg right there. And then I'll add a little bit of a dark line there, make that a little bit darker for his eyebrow.